Hi, this unboxing from Chanel. I found in Nordstrom. I don't think it's on Chanel website. This cream. Do you remember their cream, the first one? But this time for nails too. Different texture.
Yeah, I didn't buy the one with the heat for the nails. They have one with the nails.
Almost done with what I have, but this is good one. Bought they sent me. I love that one. I love those. I love all the products of number one, and this one for traveling because I have number 5. Hold a second, I'll show it to you. This one. Okay, and I love it because I'm not big fan of numéro 5. I don't like it. I am big fan of Cocomademoiselle and Coco, so I bought this one to give it a try to see if I will like it or not, and actually I loved it. It's lighter, but I didn't notice that it's Eau de Toilette, which I don't wear Eau de Toilette. I wear Eau De Parfum. I used to have numéro 5 for like million years ago, and I tried to finish it because it was so expensive, but I didn't like it that much. So anyway, I have this one, Eau Première Eau De Parfum. I thought I will buy the small travel size, so I will try it first. If I will like it, I will buy the full size, you know. It's silver here. You see that? Yeah, like the usual. You have one inside, has already the perfume. Oh, beautiful. See, it is gorgeous. The black and silver. Wow, here's silver. Love those. Ah, and this is like that. I love this one. Let me show you. I have this one. It's a sentimental reason. I still keep it. This is one of the gifts of my lovely husband. I love it. Still, it has a little bit, but I love it. I love it. And still gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They don't make it anymore. They're solid. I don't know if they still love this one. Cocomademoiselle. I have 3 sizes. 3 sizes. I have this one. It was limited edition. Can't remember when. Long time. Long time. Yep. I love it. Still, I have some inside. I love the packaging. I love the pouch. Now, this is 10 years ago. I think, yeah, 10 years. I have the normal size like this one. Cocomademoiselle. I love this one. Gold. This one is silver. And then have the cutest ever. This one. For smaller bags I have. I love it too. Cocomademoiselle. And then Gabrielle. This one. And this one, it's like that too. I love this one too. Because I have the large bottle of Gabrielle. I love it. It's very sleek, matte, gold. Yeah, it's gorgeous too. Gorgeous. I love it. And now I have this one. I will try it and let you know, guys. And of course it comes with other 2. it's two here. It smells good so far. See, here it was the big one, and here it's the other two, and here they're telling you how to change it. And it lasts forever, by the way. Anyway, this was my Chanel unboxing. If you like my video, give me a huge thumb up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.